Hey guys, my name is Brian and welcome back to another episode of Firebird Fridays, where we're restoring this 1967 Pontiac Firebird coupe back to at least a daily driver type condition. Last episode I showed you how to paint the motor on your car, whether it's in the vehicle or not, just using spray paint. If you did not watch that video, click up there and watch that one. This video is all about how to get 25 years of Oklahoma dirt and rust off these chrome engine parts. So stick with me. I'm going to show you how to use some simple things you have around the house and some elbow grease to make this old 25-year-old chrome look damn near brand new. So stick to it. We're going to do enough of this and some more of this. Let's go. All right, guys. If you get in the wife's cleaning closet, you might find yourself some steel wool. You want to use the finest you can. It's either going to be a quad zero or a triple zero. Quad zero is what I'd like to have, but all we had with the triple zeros pads. Steal just one or two pads from her. She won't know they're gone at all. And take these, and we're simply going to rub this down. First one I'm going to show you is dry. The second one I'm going to show you is with a little bit of Windex. See if there's a difference. So let me grab a pad, and we'll get into this. All right, here we go. That right there is just dry. And you saw how much time I put into that. Let's go grab some Windex and let's see what else we can do. And we're just going to go in little sections. Move your pad around every now and then. All right, now let's get a microfiber towel. That might take some more elbow grease to get down in that groove. Let's clean it up and see what it looks like. See if we can't go over that part right there just one more time. Wipe this off one more time. Well, I'm not sure if you can see it in the video, but definitely can see a difference in that. And that's just a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this all off. and see. We'll come back and see what it looks like. Woo-wee. Now, the chrome has come off at the top here, and there are some splotches that we may be able to get out with some polishing, but for the time being, that and the camera, hopefully that picked up well. I'll do that bottom side too as well, and we'll get this all cleaned up. And the valve covers, sweet. Well, I'll be dipped. Look at that. Oh. And again, some of it just won't come up if it's way too embedded. Now, remember that the air cleaner? We all saw what it looked like before, right? Now check it out. Spiffy. Damn, I'm just... Woo-wee. All right, well, there you go. Testimonial. Some pads, some glass cleaner, and you can turn that old 25 years worth of Oklahoma dirt and crud and rust into shine. Hot damn, this is gonna look really nice back on that poncho. All right, well, guys, thanks so much for joining me. Check in next Friday for another Firebird Friday video. I think next week we're going to test fit the motor mounts on our Pontiac motor. All right, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you again soon.